Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of gardening. Have you ever wondered why gardening makes you so happy? It's not just about the plants, there's so much more to it. Well, today, I'm going to share some incredible ways that gardening can boost your happiness and well-being. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be itching to get your hands dirty. First off, let's talk about physical activity. This is one of the most obvious benefits, but it's worth diving into. Gardening isn't just a leisure activity, it's a fantastic workout. You might not realize it, but you're engaging in a full-body exercise. From digging to planting and even weeding, you're constantly moving. These activities can burn calories and improve cardiovascular health. This helps to improve your physical strength and flexibility, and we all know how good exercise is for lifting our spirits. Plus, it keeps you agile and active. Plus, the satisfaction of getting your hands dirty and seeing the fruits of your labor is simply unbeatable. There's a unique joy in harvesting what you've grown. Next up, exposure to nature. This is where the magic truly happens. There's something magical about being outside, surrounded by greenery. It's like stepping into a different world. Nature has a calming effect on our brains. It's scientifically proven that spending time in nature can reduce cortisol levels, which are linked to stress. The fresh air, the sound of birds chirping, and the sight of colorful flowers can reduce stress and make you feel more connected to the world around you. It's a sensory delight. It's like a natural therapy session. You don't need a therapist when you have a garden. Now let's talk about the sense of accomplishment. This is a big one. Watching seeds grow into beautiful plants gives you a sense of pride. It's a tangible result of your hard work. Each bloom and harvest is a testament to your hard work and dedication. It's a visual and emotional reward. This feeling of achievement can boost your self-esteem and make you feel more confident in other areas of your life too. It's a confidence booster. Another fantastic benefit is mindfulness and relaxation. This is where gardening becomes almost meditative. Gardening encourages you to live in the moment. It's a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. As you focus on each plant, you become more aware of your surroundings and your own thoughts. It's a form of active meditation. This mindful practice can help to clear your mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of calm. It's a mental detox. It's like a mini vacation in your own backyard. Who needs a spa when you have a garden? Lastly, gardening provides a sense of community. This is often overlooked but incredibly important. Whether you're sharing tips with neighbors, joining a local gardening club, or simply exchanging plants, these interactions create a social network. It's a way to connect with like-minded individuals. Being part of a community can prevent feelings of loneliness and add to your overall happiness. It's a social lifeline. So there you have it. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a pathway to happiness. Gardening boosts happiness through physical activity, exposure to nature, a sense of accomplishment, mindfulness, and community. It's a holistic approach to well-being. Next time you're out in the garden, remember, you're not just nurturing your plants, you're also nurturing your soul. Thanks for stopping by. Keep growing and glowing. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make your garden and your life even more beautiful. Happy gardening. See you next time.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.